golden hair. Don't ask me why. I'm so scared. Rising tide is everywhere. We climb so high and go nowhere. And then we run out of air. Where did we come from? And where will we go? And when will we get there? And how will we know? We were capable of greatness. At least that's the way it seemed. We were so indestructible, for whatever that means. Or was it all just a dream? After all of the bombs are dropped, after all of the rubble is cleared away, and no one is left within an earshot to hear any words you feel you have to say. Yeah, they'll shake your hand, but the second they stop, they'll spit right in your face. But such is the tale that time forgot. All these bombs that we drop, they fall in figure eights. All these bombs that we drop, they fall in figure eights. All these bombs that we drop, they fall in figure